Stellar Lumens has broken through a long-standing resistance trend line on its weekly charts. This is a significant event in the market structure of XLM, as it marks a potential shift in investor sentiment and price direction. The breakout was accompanied by a notable increase in trading volume, suggesting that the move is being driven by real capital rather than just speculative activity. This is not a minor fluctuation. It's a structural change in how the market is behaving around XLM. The resistance line in question has been in place for multiple years, acting as a ceiling for price movements. Now, the price has moved above it, which is a clear technical signal that could indicate a new phase for the asset. The relative strength index, a commonly used momentum indicator, has also moved above a multi-year resistance zone. This suggests that the upward movement is not just a one-off event, but is being reinforced by momentum metrics. Analysts are watching whether this trend line will now act as a support level. In technical analysis, when a resistance level is breached and then holds as support, it can become a powerful confirmation of a new trend. If the price can close above this level consistently, it may signal the beginning of a longer-term bullish cycle. This is why traders are paying close attention to weekly closes, as they provide a more reliable picture of market. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Structure than daily fluctuations. The surge in trading volume is also a key factor. Higher volume during a breakout is typically seen as a sign of conviction. It suggests that buyers are stepping in with real capital rather than just short-term speculation. This is an important distinction because it can mean the move is more sustainable. In contrast, a breakout with low volume is often seen as a false signal. The RSI movement is particularly noteworthy. When an indicator like the RSI moves above a long-term resistance zone, it can signal a shift in momentum. In this case, the RSI has moved above a level that has historically capped bullish momentum for XLM. This means that the price movement is not just a result of a one-time event, but is being supported by a broader shift in market dynamics. Market participants are also looking at the possibility of a trend reversal. A multi-year downtrend is a strong signal in technical analysis. When such a trend is broken, it can be a turning point for the asset. Analysts are suggesting that if Stellar can maintain its upward trajectory, it could be the beginning of a new bullish cycle. This is why the next few weeks will be critical for investors to monitor. The next key signal to watch is whether the price can hold above the newly broken trend line. If it does, it could confirm a structural shift in the market. If it fails to hold, it could signal that the move is a false breakout. This is why traders are focusing on weekly closes, as they provide a clearer picture of the market's long-term direction. Investors are also looking at the broader implications of this breakout. If XLM can maintain its upward movement, it could signal a broader shift in the market's perception of the asset. This could lead to increased adoption, more institutional interest, or even a reevaluation of the project's fundamentals. However, it's important to note that while the technical signals are positive, they do not guarantee future performance. The next few weeks will be crucial for confirming whether this. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Breakout is a genuine shift in market structure or just a temporary fluctuation. Investors should be watching for sustained movement above the trend line, continued volume surges, and whether the RSI remains in bullish territory. These signals will provide more clarity on whether Stellar is entering a new phase of growth. In summary, Stellar has broken through a long-standing resistance trend line, accompanied by rising volume and a surge in momentum indicators. This is a significant event in the market structure of XLM. The next key signal to watch is whether the price can hold above this level and maintain its upward trajectory. If it does, it could signal the beginning of a new bullish cycle for Stellar.